The Agni 6, how India is secretly building a super weapon. Intro. For decades, the ability to strike any target on the planet has defined a superpower. Now, a quiet giant is secretly building the key to this exclusive club. This is the story of a ghost program, a missile whose existence is officially unconfirmed, the Agni 6. A rumored super weapon designed to give India a seat at the world's most powerful table. Section 1. The strategic problem. To understand Agni 6, you have to understand India's strategic nightmare. Caught between two nuclear-armed neighbors, China and Pakistan, India adopted a no first-use policy. But this defensive posture is only credible if India can absorb a first strike and still deliver a devastating blow in return. This is called a second strike capability. While existing Agni missiles provided regional deterrence, true security required something more, a weapon with an undisputed global reach. Section 2. The tech, anatomy of a super weapon. Enter the Agni 6. While officially unconfirmed by India's DRDO, reports suggest a four-stage monster with a range of up to 12,000 kilometers. That's enough to reach every major city in China, all of Europe, and even strike deep into North America. It's almost certainly designed to be road mobile, making it nearly impossible for an enemy to track and destroy before launch. But its most game-changing feature is its payload, MIRV technology. Section 3. The Game Changer, MIRV technology. MIRV stands for Multiple Independently Targetable Re-entry Vehicle. Instead of one warhead, Agni 6 is rumored to carry up to 10, each capable of hitting a different target. A single missile could threaten 10 cities at once. For any missile defense system, trying to stop 10 warheads screaming through the atmosphere at hypersonic speeds is a near impossible task. This technology makes India's nuclear deterrent overwhelmingly credible. Section 4. The Impact, a new world order. The potential arrival of Agni 6 would rewrite the strategic rulebook. It would give India what analysts call escalation control against China, deterring aggression along their border. More importantly, it would catapult India into the elite club of nations with global strike capability, alongside the US, Russia, and China. This is about achieving strategic autonomy and cementing its role as a global power. Conclusion. So why the intense secrecy? Ambiguity is a powerful tool. By keeping the Agni 6 in the shadows, India enhances deterrence without provoking an international backlash, buying time to perfect its ultimate insurance policy. If deployed, the Agni 6 transforms India from a regional player into a global superpower, ensuring its voice is respected in the turbulent century ahead. CTA. Thanks for watching. For more deep dives into military tech and strategy,